to become an artist?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So ano yung mga dream projects mo?
Dream projects ko? Anything action, rom-com. I'm open to anything. Actually, my dream, like at its core, is just to be a good actor. So, if I can't explore other genres, I can't be a good actor. So, I want to explore everything.
Sino mga kapamilya artist yung gusto mong maka-work?
Kapamilya artist na gusto ko work. Si Tito Chard. Sobra akong fan sa kanya. Lagi ko siyang nakikita sa sa mga gatherings ng dad ko. Pero siya talaga, like may aura siya. I wanna be with him. Work with him rather.
Since even nag-viral kagabi about kay Angel Locsin, anong project yung gusto mong ma-pitch sa'yo with Angel?
Good question. Well, if this were to be asked sa aming dalawa, I'd ask her to take the lead. So, but if you're to ask me, siguro either drama or action, since yun talaga yung specialty niya. Although I believe she could do anything.
Ano yung mga teleserye natin na favorite mo na teleserye ni Miss Angel Locsin?
Yung movie. Four Sisters in a Wedding.
Anong meron sa Four Sisters? Kaya bakit?
Yung acting, yung chemistry nilang apat. Like, kung pinanood nyo yung Four Sisters in a Wedding, oh my god. Like, at the time, it blew up. And if you look at the chemistry between sila Tony, sila Tita Angel, wow, the acting is amazing.
Kamusta maging stepmother si Miss Angel?
She's good. We have a good relationship together.
Ano yung mga usually parang ginagawa nyo tuwing magkakasama kayo?
What?
Usually mga ginagawa niyo tuwing magkasama kayo?
Kumain. Manood ng film or series. Pero most of the time, pag nakikita kami, kasi siya yung mentor ko sa acting, nagtatanong ako for advice and kino-coach niya ako in acting. So, usapan tungkol doon.
Hindi ka naman nape-pressure?
Oh, I'm pressured. I'm pressured. Of course, Tita Angel's shoes are big shoes to be filled. Of course, I'm pressured, but I'm confident.
Ano yung mga parang tinuturo sa inyo ng papa mo na si Sir Neil tsaka si Miss Angel?
Tinuturo?
For this showbiz?
Well, most advices that they gave me are trade secrets. But they always tell me to be myself, to be grounded, to be humble. Kasi kung hindi ka humble, mawawala talaga yung sarili mo. And I'm a really firm believer in that. Every night before I sleep, they tell me to affirm to myself that, oh, tao lang ako. Hindi ako Diyos or something. Dahil lang nasa showbiz ako at madaming attention nakatutok sa akin. Always be humble. Always be yourself.
If ever na sa'yo yung as housemate sa PBB, tatanggapin niyo ba siya?
I'm open. Yes, I'm open.
Sino yung mga gusto maging housemate sa PBB if ever?
If ever? Good question. Yung mga na-lunch, I feel like kung kasama ko sila, like it'll be fun kasi 'di ba PBB is a big show. I'm a big fan of the show. Talagang stepping stone talaga yung PBB. So alongside yung mga ibang artists na na-launch, I feel like it would be a good idea, 'di ba, to be with them if ever.
Sino yung mga paborito mong mga dating housemate na PBB?
Good question. One big favorite, si Slater Young. Actually, napakadaming episodes yung edition niya. Opo, pinanood ko lahat ng mga clips niya. He's a big, I like him as a housemate. Si Maymay. What? Si Maymay. As in from the bottom up, she made it as a good singer also. I'm a big fan of Maymay. Kaibigan ko po si Charlie and si River. I'm also big fans of them.
But how do you want to be remembered as an actor?
A good one. Yes. I'm very particular with yung mga acting ko. Yes po, yung quality. I love acting as an art talaga. So, I'd wanna do my best always.
Ano yung acting method?
Just do it. Say the line as the character. Simple lang. Don't overcomplicate things. That's my style.
Thank
Thank you.
Isa po. Kanina you've mentioned na si Miss Angel Locsin po yung mentor niyo po in acting.
Yes,
Gaano po siya kaiba sa pagiging step-mom mo po and as a mentor po?
Well, yung mga advices na binibigay niya, parang, di ba, sikat siya and she's done all this and that. So, it's like, it's not like she's like a mentor and she's a stepmom separate, you know. She just like tells me advice like, oh, you know what? When you do this, you should do that. Ganun. Natural lang.
Kamusta pala yung kagabi nung nabalitaan mo na nag-viral
Oh
ka?
my God. Gulat ako nun. Actually, like, hindi sinabi sa akin na i-repost na yung lunch post ko. So, actually, I was just scrolling on Instagram lang sa kotse.
Nagulat ka.
Biglang nakita ko, nag-pop up, story ni Tita Angel. Like ko, what? Like, as in, ako din, nabiglaan, na surprise. Like, she broke her silence for so long, especially in Instagram, right? Just to repost, you know, my lunch post. Like, I'm so grateful to her.
Did you
Even
message
if,
her?
kahit stepmom ko siya, fan din ako.
Message mo siya after nung makita mo yung pag-post niya. So, did you message her?
I did. She said, yeah, anytime. Sabi niya. I said thank you.
Before nung pumunta ka dito, nag-message ka din sa kanya or anything na conversation?
She told me she'll be watching.
Any message kaya?
Kay Tita Angel. I hope I'm living up to your standards.
About your upcoming project, meron na kung may mga nakalinya ba na
Maliban dun sa nagawa mo?
yeah.
Upcoming projects, maliban dun sa
Yes,
nagawa mo?
upcoming project siya. Actually, sponsored siya by Milo. Pero wala pa akong billing galing sa marketing. So, for now, that's a secret.
Bongga. And we can wait to watch you sa mga projects.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Congrats!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Picture na. Yes.
Thank you. Mauna. Ladies first.
Ay, kayo na po.
Isa-isa?
One. Fix your shadow. Ayan. Ayan, go na. Sino na yung Ay, grabe ko.
Star Magic Alt. May pagpikit. I love it.
Parang kilig. Hindi.
Selfie lang po. Dito tayo sa ilaw. Sa ilaw. Yan.
Yes, lighting.
1, 2, 3. Alright! Thank you so much!
Video, sige yan, nagbibideo na yan.
Picture?
Sa mga mahilig magpicture.